Good morning, friend. We are discussing our revision is 5 questions. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the member of parliament, in which they are asking about the salaries related provision. The salaries of member of parliament are determined by the president. Is it? Number second statement is said like there is no provision of pension in the constitution for member of parliament. And the option in front of you are first, second, both first and second, neither one, neither two. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the geography section, in which they are asking about the glacial deposit. Which of the following rocks are formed out of the glacial deposit? The question is said like, then the option in front of you are pumice, tillite, marble. Number 4 is quartzite. I again repeat the question. Which of the following rocks are formed out of the glacial deposit? The first option is in front of you are pumice, tillite, marble, quartzite. Right? Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the modern history, in which they are asking about the Satavahana dynasty. You can correlate it with the medieval history. I am really sorry for that. Who among the following ruler belong to the Satavahana dynasty? Number first option are Gautami Putra Satkarni, Vishishti Putra Pulmavi. Number third is Napana. Number fourth is Hala. I again repeat the question, and option in front of you are these. I again repeat the question for you people itself, your people themselves. Who among the following rulers belong to the Satavahana dynasty? Number first option are Gautami Putra Satkarni. Second, Vishishta Putra Pulwani. Number third, Nahapana. Number fourth, Hala. And option in front of you are, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. First and third, first, second, fourth, first, second, third, fourth. So let's see the next question. Next question is related to the environment section, where they are asking about the presence of which of the following result in formation of the photochemical smoke. So how the photochemical smoke, formation of these type of smoke are happened in the environment, and the option in front of you are nitric oxide, acrolein, formaldehyde. I again repeat the question. Which among the following are the result of the formation of the photochemical smoke? The first option are nitric oxide, second is the acrolein, number third the formaldehyde, and option in front of you are first and second, first and third, second, third, first, second, third. You can again see the question, right? Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the More Mahe Sot highway, which connect India with which of the following country? So number first option is Thailand, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan. I again repeat the question. More Mahe Sot highway will connect India with Thailand, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan. Let's see the next question and the answer to the first question. Consider the following statement. The salaries of member of parliament are determined by the president. Is it? No, that is determined by the parliament. Even in 2015 itself, the Arun Jaitley ji increased 5% hike as per the inflation rate at that point of time in their salaries. So that are determined by the parliament, by 50 plus 1 majority. 50% plus, matlab half plus 1. Next statement is there is no provision of pension in the constitution of member of parliament. That also be the correct. So second is correct. Let's see the given option, the given explanation that give by the vision itself. Member of either house of parliament are entitled to receive such salaries and allowances may be determined by the parliament. So but there is no provision of pension in the constitution. So that is the thing. Option B is also correct because parliament has provided pension to the member of parliament under salary allowance and pension to the member of the parliament act as per the schedule second. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the which of the following rocks are formed out of the glacial deposit. That is the tillite, and whenever there is a glacial deposit, the tillite formation is must to occur. Tillite is a sedimentary rock formed out of the deposit of the glacier. So it is a type of sedimentary. There are three type of rocks that are found in the environment. That is igneous rock. Second is the metamorphic rock. Second is the sedimentary rock. Third is the metamorphic rock. Igneous rock, when given temperature and pressure, that they form the sedimentary, and when again give the much more higher presence of a temperature and pressure, the metamorphic rocks are formed, and after the external force are released, the earlier form of the metamorphic restore their position and give rise to igneous rock. And igneous rock are formed in the environment through the volcanic activities. Tillite is the sedimentary rock formed out of the deposit of glacier. The Gondwana system of the sediment from India is known also has a counterpart in 6 different land masses in the southern hemisphere. At the base, the system has thick tillite indicating extensive and prolonged glaciation period at that point of time. Counterpart of the succession are found in Africa, Falkland Island, Madagascar, Antarctica and Australia beside India. So there are 6 parts in which the tillite sedimentary formed in Indian plates, and these are found in other 6 plates also. Overall resemblance of the Gondwana type sedimentary clay demonstrate that landmass had remarkably similar histories, and by this we can conclude that the whole land mass of the earth are joined at some point of time in the history. The glacial tillite provided unambiguous evidence of Paleolithic climate and also drift, how the drift in the continent are occurred and what are the forces behind them, and this led to the knowledge and wisdom in area of geography. Let's see the next question. Who among the following rule belong to the Satavahana dynasty? So first option is First, second, fourth are correct. First, second, and fourth. Nalpana is not correct. Hala is he wrote Saptashi type of a novel, or you can say that a book. Let's see the answer there. First and second option are correct. Why? Let's see. In the Deccan and the Central India, Satvana succeeded Maurya. So after the Mauryan period, Satvana succeeded the whole Central India. Although after a gap of the 100 years that are found in the Purana, the early Satvana king ruled in North Maharashtra, and gradually they extended their power over Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh also. Their greatest competitor were the Shaka that depended at that point of time, who at one stage of time conquered the domination of the Satvana's empire by defeating the Shakas and many Kshatriya rulers also. His empire generally authority over Andhra. The succession of Gautamiputra ruled till 2220 AD. The coins and the inscription of this immediate successor, that is the Vishishtaputta Pulwami, have been found in Andhra and show that in the middle of the 2nd century, this area had become part of the Satvana kingdom. So that is the overreach of this kingdom and the importance of this kingdom around the Central India, or the specifically to the Andhra Pradesh and in general for India. Option 4 is also because one Prakrit text called the Gatha Saptasati. So Gatha Saptasati, or the Gatha, whatever you wanted to say, is attributed to the Satvana king, that is known as Hala. It consists of 7 verses, all written in Prakrit, that language that are common at that point of time at this place, but it seems to have been finally retouched much later, possibly at the 6th century. Or if you are talking about the third option, third is not correct, because Gautamiputra Satkarni claimed to have ended the Kshatriya lineage to which his adversary Nanpana belonged. So it is the adversary of Gautamiputra Satkarni in which they wanted to defeat him. This claim is true because over 8,000 silver coins of the Nahapana found near Nasik bear the mark of having been restruck by the Satvana kingdoms, right? Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the environment section. Which of the following are result in formation of photochemical smoke? So nitric oxide, acrolein and formaldehyde. First, second, third, all are correct. Let's see the option here. Photochemical smoke occur in warm, dry and sunny climate. It results from the action of the sunlight on unsaturated hydrocarbon and nitrogen oxide produced by automobile and factories. The common components of photochemical smoke are the ozone, nitric oxide, acrolein, formaldehyde, peroxyacetyl nitrate, PAN. Photochemical smoke causes serious health problem. Both ozone and PAN act powerful irritant, right? Let's see the next question. Moreh-Sot highway will connect Thailand with India. So that is the case there. India, Myanmar, Thailand trilateral highway is a trans-border corridor proposed to connect the Moreh in Manipur and Sai-Sot in Thailand. And how the map is looked like that. For example, that is India. That is the northeastern area. That is Myanmar, and there is a Thailand. So that is the trilateral highway, 3-country highway. And it is the intercontinental also. Not intercontinental, but I think so. Trans-border corridor. Anyway, it is a grant in aid initiative by India as a part of its Act East policy, so that we connect our eastern area to the other part of the country or the border area of nearby our states, so that we can balance our relationship. First thing. Second thing, we can connect our this area to the other part, so that we cannot depend upon that Siliguri corridor that the northeastern connected to the India. Number third thing, the development can be occurred at that area because the much not developed, because the literacy is high, but at the same point of time the development of this area that it is deserved is not found. Okay. Policy, and it is aimed at opening land gates to ASEAN and boost trade and commerce. It is expected to complete it by 2021 for enhancing connectivity between South and Southeast Asia. Bangladesh has expressed interest to join ongoing India-Myanmar Thailand trilateral highway project, and that's why it is in the news. It is a joint statement issued at the end of virtual talk between Prime Minister of Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister, that is Sheikh Hasina. The interest to join the India-Myanmar Thailand trilateral highway, and in the same spirit, India has requested the neighboring country to allow connectivity from West Bengal so that we can connect our Meghalaya via Bangladesh. India has also proposed extending the highway to Cambodia, Laos and Vietnam. Let's see the news specificity. Reserve Bank of India analyzed the performance of the small finance bank. So that is the thing. US to rejoin Paris Climate Accord, World Health Organization, and these are the news there. Now the center urges states and UTs to strategize speedy implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Arogya Yojana for rapid urbanization. So next is the Asia and the Pacific regional overview of the food security and nutrition report released by UN agency. So that is the case there. And let's see the what is the report said? Reports take progress toward the SDG second basically, that is related to the hunger and World Health Organization Assembly target on nutrition in Asia and Pacific region. Key finding of this whole area is number first, achieving the SDG. Progress on food security and nutrition has slowed and it is not a track to achieving 2030 target. That is the whole key finding of the report. Second, around 1.9 billion, and how many people are found in our earth or on our planet basically, that is 7 billion, and out of 7 billion, 1.9 billion people in a region cannot afford a healthy diet. Diet is considered unaffordable if cost exceeds 63% of a person income. That is the case there. Impact of the poor diet is the most severe in first 1000 days of the human life, by the first 3 years basically. In India, just 42% of the children aged 6 to 23 months are fed with the required number of the times per day. So that is the report. Report highlighted the changing face of nutrition with high processed and inexpensive foods. Such food item lacks vitamin and mineral, also increase the risk of obesity, diabetes and cardiovascular disease in the later phase of the life. Because of COVID-19, 14.3% increase in the prevalence of the moderate or severe wasting among children under 5 years of age is predicted. What is the recommendation that is given by this report? Because whenever the report is released, the key finding is there. What is the trend that are found in the future, that also be recommended, and at the same point of time recommended how we can overcome this problem, because we want to achieve the SDG second and eliminate hunger from country of the world. Need to promote a healthy diet as well as the regulate sales and marketing of food for consumers, specifically for the children. An integrated system should be taken care of, bringing together food, water and sanitation, health and social protection and education system, so that we can address the factor of diet sustainably. Let's see the selected target of the SDG 2 and the World Health Assembly. Let's see what the targets of the second is said. For example, there is a target there is a goal of SDG second, that has a provision of the elimination of the hunger, but target first of the goal number second is said like that: by 2030 we have to end hunger and ensure access by all people, in particular the poor and the vulnerable people, including infant, to safe nutrition and sufficient food all year around. For example, T2.2 by 2030 and all form of the malnutrition, including achieving by 2025, and immediately agreed target on stunting and wasting children under the year of age, and address the nutrition needs of the adolescent girls, pregnant and lactating women and older person. World Health Assembly target 2025. Health Assembly, I don't know, whatever. Stunting, wasting, and these are these things that you should be know. Let's see the next thing. Okay. NCAVC India Form 2021, and that is the revision part of the vision that is given by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation under Government of India, is conducting NCAVS India Form in a virtual format in collaboration with the United Nations Statistical Division, European Union and United Nations Environment Program on January 14, 21 and 28, 2021. What do you mean by NACVS? NACVS is nothing but a natural capital accounting and valuation of the ecosystem services, a project initiative of the European Union that was started in 2017, so that we can help nations that can advance in the knowledge on environment, economic and accounting for ensuring sustainable economic growth. Currently, NACVS is being implemented in 5 countries, for example, India, Brazil, China, Mexico and South Korea. That is, you can say the BRICS. After BRICS, and we can eliminate Asia and we can add Mexico, so BMICS ho jayega, BMICS, right? NACVS India Form 2021, that has to highlight in India's efforts so that we can pass 3 years in making the environment a key dimension in the policy formation and to present India's achievement in the domain of the natural capital accounting. It will also provide a platform for the participation of the stakeholders involved at a national and international level, and for the research institution, so that we can present the research conducted in the valuation of the ecosystem services. What do you mean by the natural capital accounting? Let's see. NANCE is a tool that can help measure the full extent of the country's natural asset. Natural asset is nothing but a resource that we have, and the capital in the form of the machinery that we have found, and the asset for our country, whatever the natural resources that we have lead at that geography, and give perspective on the linking between the ecosystem, ecology and environment. United Nations Statistical Commission adopted the system of the environment and economic account first international standard, so that we can that accounting environment economic account as a statistical standard for all countries that are started the base year 2012. SIA is a guide to integrate economic, environment and social data, so that we can integrate single coherent framework for the holistic decision making. India has also adopted SIA. The ability of the developing country to build their NCA capacities is being improved significantly through the wealth accounting and ecosystem partnership services by encouraging development of the relevant measurement framework. WAVES is a World Bank-led global partnership that has aimed to promote the sustainable development by ensuring that natural resources are maintained in development planning and national economic account. NC can help, what the aim would be that help and integrate the account of the sustainability and conserving the environment for the future use along with the economic development. Yet the work related to environment accounting in India is still its early stages. The firm would have paved the way for emerging opportunities so that we can support national priorities in India. So in congruence with the in congruence with the environment, ecology and the economy. Let's see the current affair. The 1st February 2021, Jai Shah appointed president of the Asian Cricket Council. But who is Jai Shah? That is the son of the Amit Shah. Jai Shah succeeded Nizami Hussain, who the previous chief of the ACC. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan has been appointed as the chief secretary of Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched India 75 initiatives so that we can encourage young writers. Rajasthan government launched Ayushman Bharat Mahatma Gandhi Rajasthan Health Insurance Scheme as suggested by the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. The scheme will cost 14 crore to the state and 400 crore to the central government every year. So it is the contribution not only from the state but also from the center itself. SpaceX to launch 4 astronauts so that we can go to the space station on April 20 of 2021. NASA Shane Kimbrough and Megan Martha will serve as spacecraft commander and pilot. In Japan, Kyo Hoshido and ESA, they've launched these things, right? Who is ESA? ESA is nothing but a European Space Agency. Martyr Day or Shahid Divas is observed on Jan 30. What do you mean by the Shahid Divas? Shahid Divas is that the day on which Mahatma Gandhi martyred or assassinate basically. Microsoft has launched India Development Center facility in Noida. Year 2021 is announced as the year of the environment between India and the France. So you should know these. Popular economist Shahib Gupta, I think that he died. Shahib Gupta passed away recently. CSIR and Ladakh signed an agreement for the development of the Union Territory of Ladakh through the Science and Technology Intervention. CSIR is nothing but a Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Biography titled Sumitra Chatterjee, A Life in Cinema, Theatre, Poetry and Painting. That is co-authored by the Arjun Senagupta and Partha Mukherjee, published by the Niyogi Books Foundation or publishing. Second edition of the India Justice Report 2020 released. Large and mid-sized state ranking. Maharashtra retained number 1 spot in India Justice Report 2020 and in 2019 it has the first rank. Tamil Nadu second and Telangana is ranked third. Let's see the things there. Punjab 4th, Kerala 5th and Gujarat 6th. Chhattisgarh 7th, Jharkhand 8th. Indian Justice Report said these things. Haryana at 9th place, Rajasthan at 10th place in the India Justice Report 2020. Odisha 11th and Andhra Pradesh 12th in the India Justice Report. Bihar, Karnataka 13. You can see here that MSM. Let's see the next thing. Okay, that is the word basically. Shock is nothing but a widespread feeling of the shock caused by an unexpected event. So next is the perish, to destroy or die. Blaze is nothing but a large strong fire. Flammable is nothing that has easily set on fire. Jwalanshil. Next is the asphyxiating, so that we can cause someone to unable to breathe unusually, resulting in that person death. So dam ghutna. Solatium, a thing given to someone as a compensation of the consolation. So a type of gratia, ex gratia or a solatium that has a synonymous meaning. Next is the jeopardize, so that we can put जोखिम में डालना. So that lax is nothing but a not sufficiently strict, severe or not a careful, basically लापरवाह. Wake up call, a shocking event that changes the way many people think चेतावनी. So a wake up call is nothing but a cautious feeling or the cautious warning that are given by the person, so that in the future they can prevent themselves through their own cautiousness of their behavioral things. Next is the bottleneck, a problem that delays progress. So that is the bottleneck thing. Okay, the first word of today is differential. Differential is nothing but a type of a gap or a gulf. Next is the disconcerting. Disconcerting is nothing but a chintajanak. Disconcerting, unrevering, discomfort. Next is the stringent. Stringent is nothing but a type of a firm or rigid. Next the undying. Undying is nothing chirjivi, lasting or enduring. Next is the anomaly. Anomaly is nothing but a peculiarity and abnormality. Next is the patent, obvious, clear, plain. Spur, stimulus, incentive, encouragement. लेवी इज नथिंग बट भर्ती करना, और लेवी टैक्स के लिए रिगार्डिंग हम ज़्यादातर इसका यूज़ करते हैं. स्पर इज नथिंग बट टाइप ऑफ स्टिमुलस दैट वी गिवन, और इंसेंटिवाइज करना, हम किसी को इनकरेज करते हैं तो लेवी आई ऑलरेडी. हॉस्पिटलिटी इज नथिंग बट फ्रेंडलीनेस. नेक्स्ट द सिलेंडर और डेट मीन अल्प. ओके, आई थिंक वी शुड स्किप दिस थिंग्स. Okay, that is the important. Local air or a type of wind that are blown. Chinook, another note blizzard in North America. South America, Pampara and Zunda in South America. Berg, Habub, Harmattan, Khamsin, Sirocco in the Africa region. Halm, Mistal, Bora, Leston, Levant, Phone in the Europe region. Buran and Carburan in the Asia region. Big filter and southerly in the Australia region. Let's see the important water current ocean waves. California, Alaska, Labrador, Greenland, Canary and Oahu current, that is the cold wave current. Peru, Bengula, West Australian and West wind drift that are found in the Africa region. Great Gibson, Colorado, Sonoran, Mojave, Chuhan in the North America. South America, Atacama, Patagonia Desert in South America. Asia, Gobi, Taklakalam, Karakum, Kirikulam in Asia region. Sahara, Arabian Thar in the Namb Kalahari in the Africa region. In Australia, Tanami, Great Sandy, Gibson, Great Victoria, Stony and Simpson Desert are found in the region of the Australia. By this we are ending the session. Hope you like the video.